When passion meets perseverance, victory follows. And JB Academy's sports stars have written a golden chapter this year. We begin with a splash of glory. At the CBSE Zonal Swimming Meet in Patna, our swimmers ruled the waters. From the butterfly to the freestyle, they collected 13 gold, 5 silver, and 8 bronze medals. Special applause for Ayaan Khan, crowned individual champion, and for every swimmer whose dedication made Team JBA the first runner-up overall. On the track, Ishika Verma sprinted to double gold in the 100 meter and 200 meter, qualifying for the nationals in both events. Ranak Pratap Singh scored gold in the high jump, also earning his ticket to nationals. From the pitch, Sankalp Tiwari of Class 10th made his mark in the East Zone Cricket Tournament at Jagran Public School, Banaras, earning a well-deserved spot at the national level. Our under-19 football team brought home the ultimate glory, crowned CBSE cluster champions after fierce battles against top teams, proving that skill and teamwork are unstoppable together. In table tennis, JBA dominated with an overall championship win thanks to medal-winning performances in both individual and team categories. Our girls brought fierce energy to the CBSE Cluster Kho-Kho Championship in Chunar, storming into the semi-finals and missing the finals by just 1 point. Their determination earned them second runner-up honours with medal and a trophy. On the basketball court, our girls team clinched the bronze medal at the CBSE Cluster in Prayagraj after a nail-biting, rain-hit final decided in a free throw shootout. At the CBSE Yogasan Championship, our students excelled in every category, securing top ranks and lifting well-earned trophies. A true showcase of balance, strength, and discipline. Today, we celebrate not just the medals, but the relentless drive of our athletes, the vision of our coaches, and the spirit of JB Academy, where champions rise and history is made.